Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Abdul Basit, chemistry teacher, Chandbagh School, Murid ke. Dear students, today we will discuss worksheet questions related to alcohols. Today we will discuss question number 14, 21 and 23 of the worksheets being provided to you earlier. Dear students, as you know that alcohols are a homologous series of molecules containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. These are those molecules which contain OH as functional group and their general formula is CnH2n plus 1 OH. Let's start question number 14. The table shows the formula of the first three members of the alcohol homologous series. Methanol, its molecular formula is CH3OH. As you know that meth is equal to 1, that's why methanol contains only one carbon atom in the molecule. Ethanol, its molecular formula is C2H5OH. Propanol, its molecular formula is C3H7OH. Question number 14a part, deduce the general formula for the alcohol homologous series. The general formula for alcohol homologous series is CnH2n plus 1 OH. As you know that general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2 and general formula for alkyl group is CnH2n plus 1. To show general formula for alcohol, OH group must be shown with alkyl group. Question 14b part, name the products of the complete combustion of methanol. Alcohols contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. On combustion, they always produce carbon dioxide and water. Ethanol can be manufactured from either ethene or glucose. Write an equation for the production of ethanol from ethene and state the conditions under which the reaction takes place. Dear students, ethene C2H4 reacts with steam H2O and it produces ethanol C2H5OH. Conditions for the reaction are high temperature, that is a temperature of about 300 degrees Celsius, while high pressure of about 70 atmospheres is required. Temperature range of 200 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius and atmospheric pressure of 50 atmospheres to 100 atmospheres will also be considered as correct answer. Second part, the fermentation of glucose can be represented by the following equation: C6H12O6 glucose arrow 2C2H5OH plus 2CO2. Calculate the maximum mass of ethanol that can be made from 36 tons of glucose. First of all, we will calculate the relative molecular mass of glucose, which is 180. Relative molecular mass of ethanol is 46. We will have to calculate the number of moles of glucose. 36 tons divided by 180 is equal to 0.2 tons moles. Moles of C2H5OH will be equal to 0.2 into 2. That will be equal to 0.4 tons moles. Mass of ethanol C2H5OH will be equal to 18.4 tons. Third part, explain why ethanol made from ethene is a non-renewable fuel, but that made from glucose is a renewable fuel. Ethene is obtained from crude oil, which is a finite source, non-renewable. Glucose is obtained from plants, which is a renewable source of energy. That is why ethanol made from glucose is said to be renewable fuel. Propanol reacts in a similar way to ethanol. Name the organic product of the reaction between propanol and warm acidified potassium dichromate. The product will be propanoic acid. As you know that on oxidation, propanol is being converted to propanoic acid. Now question number 21. Alcohols are a homologous series of organic chemical compounds. The table shows some information about different alcohols. Methanol, its molecular formula is CH3OH. Its boiling point is 65. Ethanol, its formula is C2H5OH while its boiling point is 78 degrees Celsius. Propanol, its molecular formula is C3H7OH while its boiling point is 97 degrees Celsius. Pentanol, it contains 5 carbon atoms having molecular formula C5H11OH while its boiling point is 138 degrees Celsius. What is meant by the term homologous series? A homologous series have a general formula with same functional group. Each successive member of the series differs by CH2 group, and third property is they have similar chemical properties and there is a gradual change in the physical properties of the molecules. Question 21b part, estimate the boiling point of butanol. Dear students, any value between 105 degrees Celsius to 130 degrees Celsius will be acceptable. As the homologous series developed by a constant increase of CH2 group, therefore there must be a constant increase in their boiling point. The difference of boiling points between C3H7OH and C2H5OH is 97 to 78, that is equal to 19. Therefore adding 20 or 21 to 97 will give the boiling point of butanol. Second part, a molecule of alcohol hexanol contains 6 carbon atoms. Write the formula of hexanol. The molecular formula for hexanol is C6H13OH. General formula for alcohol is CnH2n plus 1 OH. Putting n equal to 6 for hexanol, the formula comes to be C6H13OH. C part, ethanol can be manufactured from ethene. Ethene reacts with steam in the presence of an acid catalyst to form ethanol. Write an equation for the reaction between ethene and steam. C2H4 is the formula for ethene and it reacts with steam H2O. It produces C2H5OH, which is ethanol. Second part, name the type of reaction that takes place. As you know that ethene or alkenes always undergo addition reactions, so the type of the reaction that takes place is the addition reaction. D part, ethanol can also be manufactured from glucose, C6H12O6. The equation for the reaction is C6H12O6 arrow 2CO2 plus 2C2H5OH. A solution containing 18 kg of glucose makes only 0.92 kg of ethanol. Calculate the percentage yield of ethanol. Dear students, in this question, first of all we will have to calculate the number of moles of glucose. Moles of glucose will be equal to 180 and the mass of glucose is 1000 into 18, that will be equal to 18,000. We can calculate the number of moles by dividing 18,000 by 180. We will get 200 moles of ethanol. Therefore yield calculated, for example 18 kg of glucose will yield 9.2 kilograms of ethanol. Percentage yield can be calculated by the value 0.92 divided by 9.2 into 100. Here we can use the formula percentage yield is always equal to actual yield divided by theoretical yield into 100, and that will be equal to 10%. Now students, question number 23. Ethanol C2H5OH can be manufactured by two different processes. Process 1 is the catalyzed addition of steam to ethene, and process 2 fermentation of glucose. Name the type of the reaction used to manufacture ethene. Cracking of higher hydrocarbons present in crude oil fractions. Hydrocarbons of high molecular mass break into smaller molecules. In this process, ethene and hydrogen are obtained. Question 23b part, write the equation for process 1. C2H4 plus H2O that will produce C2H5OH ethanol. Second part, suggest the name of the alcohol made when alkene C3H6 reacts with steam in the presence of catalyst. As you know that 3 carbon atoms of alkene has the name as propene, and when it is being added with steam it will produce propanol. C part, the equation for the process 2 is shown below. C6H12O6 arrow 2C2H5OH ethanol plus carbon dioxide. Describe 2 essential conditions required for efficient fermentation. For efficient fermentation, temperature between 25 to 40 degrees Celsius is required, while zymase, which is an enzyme, acts as a catalyst. Second part, suggests one advantage of manufacturing ethanol by process 2 rather than by process 1. As you know that it is a renewable raw material, that is glucose. C6H12O6 changes to carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide gas is being used in photosynthesis. D part, process 2 makes an aqueous solution of ethanol. Suggest a method of purification that can be used to remove water from the aqueous ethanol. It can be separated by the fractional distillation of the mixture. E part, describe a chemical test which could be used to positively identify the carbon dioxide formed during fermentation. We can use the test of lime water, and it turns lime water milky. I thank you all for your precious time. Allah Hafiz.